Speaking of planes, check out China's new H-20 strategic bomber, able to strike second island chain. It looks like a stealth bomber. Apparently, it's going to be able to go longer distances, carry some payload. Maximum takeoff weight of 200 tons with a payload of 45 tons. But it will be flying at subsonic speed. So they apparently in the design of this thing prioritized range over speed. So it could go longer distances. And of course, if you were wondering, it's expected to potentially fire 4 powerful hypersonic stealth cruise missiles. If that makes you, I know it's weird things that make you feel warm and fuzzy, Will.
Yes. I mean, that looks pretty cool. No?
People say it looks a lot like a stealth bomber,
Stealth bomber, yeah.
Yeah, it looks a lot like a stealth bomber. But that's some pretty advanced tech.
Mm-hmm.
This means it could threaten U.S. assets and interest in the Asia Pacific. If the aircraft becomes operational, it has the potential to be a game changer. Reaching places like Japan, Guam, and the Philippines. These are important strategic locations for U.S. military bases. And an intercontinental fighter with a capacity that would expand its reach far beyond the country's seaboard. I think this thing can carry nukes as well. I'm pretty sure. Did I read that? It's got to be in there somewhere. Dark gray radar absorbent material. I'm going to do a control F on nuclear. Oh, there we go. Previous reports had said that the H-20 would be equipped with nuclear and conventional missiles. So,
yeah. I think that's a yeah, no.
Yeah. It won't be out for a little while. Building these things is hard. I don't know when this one's going to hit the air. By the end of the 2020s, they say. So it's tough to develop these things.
Yeah.
I mean, when you start reading about like aircraft carriers and all the military vehicles and equipment, it's like, it's tough stuff to build. You guys seem super comfy on this topic, by the way.
No, it just...
Finn goes, yeah. Will goes,
It just reminds me of the UFO stuff.
Easy. Oh.
See how nervous I am talking about this?
Holy
it's all
cow.
Conspiracy. Yeah. Vin, the UFOs?
Vin, let me out of here, Vin. Let me out of here, Vin.
Yeah, there's a lot of UFO sightings recently. And I don't know, like these could potentially be part of them, right? Like these objects that are just in space and detected by the Navy.
Yeah. No? Well, undetectable.
What are you saying?
Radar.
You're saying that these vehicles are already out there?
They could be just for like experimental.
I know, but the video,
just to test the radars or something.
The clips that you're seeing out there, those vehicles are not following the laws of typical aircraft, any known aircraft.
The physics.
Yeah,
of it, right?
nothing even close. So it wouldn't be something like this. But these are designed to be radar resistant.
Wow. Yeah.
But they're not traveling at some unreasonable, unbelievable speed. This one actually is subsonic. They were saying, so it's not. It's traveling below the speed of sound. Anyway.
Yeah.
I like seeing
UFOs.
you. I like seeing you super comfy like this, Will.
Yeah. It's a good time.
I love it.